supervisor for the Mobile Rail Division, D1. We're a loadout crew. We handle all the locations that crews behind the gang couldn't finish. For one reason or the other, if they have to follow the gang, or if there needs to be extra material to be picked up in that area to help out some of the crews. We're sort of a support team. We're more versatile. We can move our locations daily, weekly, monthly, just depending on what the project is and what the needs are throughout the country. The gangs go through certain areas of the track where there is a worn factor in the rail. They take the rail out, they replace it with new rail, and then at the same time, we follow up after they've installed the rail. We use our cutting truck with the oxygen and propane to be able to cut it into segments. And then after the cutting is done, we follow through with our straight truck or our boom truck that has a grapple system. We're also picking up the OTM as well, which is spike plates, anchors, clips, screws, just depending on what type of material or metal that they actually kick out. The safety is first. Yeah, anything that we do, anywhere we go, we have to keep safety number one. Anywhere from when we're walking to getting close to the track, knowing that you have proper protection, having strong communication with the other people that you're working with, that everybody is on the same page. We're the best at what we do. Hands down, we're the safest. We are capable of running the cranes and running the trucks and working the track and communication with our customers a lot better than anybody else. This is pride for us. You know, we have people that can pick up tens of thousands of feet of rail a day.